the chief minister mentioned.
See one thing. See, our chief minister speech on assembly was completely on 40 days what this government has done and what are the things we have established, like what are the things we have done in each and every department, what are the process changes we have done, what are the policy changes we have done, and what are the key achievements of this government in last 40 days. Our chief minister has listed out. One of that is like it is true. Party fund has been abolished in this government. And we all know where the party fund was, all these were happening. Every department, any contract, any tender or any transfer, anything, there would be a party fund. All you all being a senior journalist, you know what is party fund. And you have been like in this chief secretary for long time. And you know like any transfer, whether any transfer happened in previous government without party fund? No. Any tender happened without party fund? No. So all these things were happening only after party fund was given. Now that has been completely abolished. That's what our CM said. We have abolished all the bribe and everything, and party fund has been completely abolished. No word of party fund in this government. That has been clearly told. No, that's what I am telling. No, see, one key evidence I'll give you. Like 4-5 years back, their finance minister P.T.R. Tyagarajan audio came out in social media. He clearly told that 30,000 crores have been looted as a party fund by one family. Whether he is ready to take it as a case, we are ready to file a case and examine whether this audio is true or not. Whether PTR is okay to take up this, okay to accept this and make a challenge, we are ready to file a case and validate whether this audio is right or wrong. Apart from that, 2 days back, a few people from school education, they have been talking in the media, mentioning that 400 crores has been every year it has been collected as a party fund. It has come in all media and everywhere, like in solar, in TNEB, in solar application. When we spoke to all the vendors came and told me, they have told in the press also, for every 1 mega, if you want to invest 1 megawatt, for each megawatt 25 lakhs has been collected as a party fund. They have told in the press. So you know, being a senior journalist, you know what is happening in this building and everything. Now everything, last 40 days, everything has been abolished. That's what our CM has told. And the CM has told it is an achievement. Definitely it is an achievement for the government. And if 20%, 30% party fund has been abolished, definitely that revenue has been getting realized in the government. Because like it is government money, it has been looted by some ex-ministers and chief minister and ex-deputy minister. That has been getting realized in the current government's money. It is people's money. That's what CM told. All these bribe or everything, party fund system has been abolished and everything has started realizing in the government's revenue. And it has been a great achievement. That's what CM has told.